Panalo, Panalo in the blue, and already a fast start by Jezebel. She takes no time to go.
Kasabay ng labang Joper Montano sa Thailand ay may isang babaeng Pinay din na dumayo at lumaban. Ito ay ang dating Philippine minimum weight champion at 3 beses na ding napalaban para sa world title. Ang pinagmamalaki ng binggit, ang southpaw na si Jezebel Pagaduan. May record itong 13 wins, only 2 defeats, isa tabla, 5 via knockout. Nakalaban niya dito ang mas matangkad na pambato ng Thailand na si Panumad Panalo. Isang umaatikabong bakbakan ang nasaksihan ng karamihan. Isang galawang Manny Pacquiao ang pinamalas ni Pagaduan sa laban. Kaya bugbog sarado sa Pinay na dayo ang nalasap ng pambato ng Thailand. Ating balikan ang maaksyon nilang bakbakan.
Of course, it is the experienced fighter from the football. That is the bell from round number 1. And in the
Gumalaw in the blue, and already a fast start by Jezebel. She takes no time to go.
for that lead leg. You want to get your lead leg on the outside of theirs. Trying to get that lead leg on the outside. Panamad just needs to be very careful. We know Jezebel very calm in there as well, flicking that into her punch and allowing that power shot. And a big right hand attempted upstairs by Jezebel. Jezebel lands a left hand downstairs. Some nice head movement as well. Less than a minute to see Panamad start pumping that jab out. She's the longer fighter. Just keep her on the end of the jab and throw that right hand diligently. Not giving anything away, not making any mistakes. We see a big left hand upstairs landed. That is the timer for 10 seconds to go for round number 1. A very competitive first round, but I think Jezebel has taken this first round with the nice combinations to the body and head. Beautiful first round by wins in these rounds. Round number 2 underway. Jezebel from the Philippines in the black and yellow takes on Panamad in the blue from Thailand. Both fighters in the center of the ring. Will we see what we saw in the first? A nice blitz attempt from Jezebel. Jezebel just very determined, not giving anything away, and jumps in with a nice combination. Exactly what Jezebel needs to do. Panamad just needs to stay calm, dance around with that jab, and both fighters attempt a right hand. About Jezebel dives in with a nice eats a right hand from Panamad, but again Jezebel goes upstairs, and Jezebel now slowly closing the distance, getting her opponent against the ropes, and this is where Jezebel could come alive, but she takes some time, takes a back foot. Less than a minute to go for round number 2. A very nice fight so far, very tactical fight, very well timed by Jezebel. A nice feint indeed, and those feints are the best things you can do early on, and she eats a right hand. A little bit off balance, and Jezebel eats a right hand in the process. Again, Panamad did very well to snap up on that mistake made. In a fight like this where both fighters are very conservative, it's the first person to make a little bit of a mistake boxed perfectly. You're trying to find any edge you possibly can, and a beautiful left hand landed at the end by busier now, because there's only 4 rounds in this fight. We're already in the 3rd round. That 2nd round was a very close one. Anyways, Jezebel Pagaduan representing the Philippines in the black and yellow takes on Panamad Panalo in the blue. Both fighters in the center of the ring, and Jezebel doing exactly what she did before, staying very much out of range now and use that jab to her advantage. A nice right hand landed by Panamad, but Jezebel was the victor in that exchange with a nice body shot landed. The fight is very calm, trying to find their range to set up those big, powerful shots. Panamad needs to be more active, because right now Jezebel is looking like she's starting to bully Panamad just a little bit. She's a little bit more active, focus, not giving anything away. But the same with Panamad, not giving anything away as well. But Jezebel lands a nice left hand downstairs. Jessie Bell flicking out that jab and goes downstairs with a left hand and it lands. And this is where Panamad needs to come alive and just go for it. But the head movement of Jessie Bell is beautiful. The head movement, the footwork. She's very good at evading damage. So jab's not landing. As long as you're not allowing your opponent to counter with a pull counter, you're going to be fine. Panamad just needs to throw that jab, throw that right hand. Jessie Bell being very good at timing her aggression. That is the timer for 10 seconds to go. Both fighters now in the center of the ring. Who's going to end this round stronger? But both fighters clearly thinking about every bell for the fourth and final round. We have Thailand taking on the Philippines. Jessie Bell from the Philippines in the black and yellow takes on Panamad in the blue from Thailand. Both fighters again in the center of the ring. Both fighters just trying again to find their ring. Getting a little bit closer with those jabs, and she goes for a blitz and lands, but of course Panamad uses her range perfectly and lands a combination of her own. Very nice right hand landed, and a big hand upstairs landed by Panamad. But Jessie Bell, I think she knows she's got to take this fight to her opponent. 4 rounds is not a lot. You've got to just go for it now. Elizabeth. If she goes for it, I think she will land. But Panamad, very nicely done with the footwork, steps back, and both fighters in the corner, and they get involved in a clinch. And of course, very respectful. They do not take any shots. Back at it, less than a minute to go of round number 4, the final round. And a nice right hand landed by Panamad. That jab, but Jessie Bell gives her. You do not want the judges to give it to Panamad just because you didn't give it enough. Jessie Bell just trying to edge forward, but needs to blitz, needs to go for it, and lands a nice left hand upstairs. And that's exactly what she needs to do. Just be aggressive, be active, and another right hand upstairs, followed up by a left. Jessie Bell stealing this round away, and the nice footwork, and another left. She may have stole this fight away and this round. Very nicely done by the Filipina, and some Pernell Whitaker style head movement to end the round. A beautiful performance. Sportsmanship and a very well-earned victory for Jessie Bell, and of course she got the win, a well-deserved win. Very good fight by Panamad, but of course just a very good victory